Finding cube root of any number. So to find the perfect cube, if any number is given perfect cube, to find out the cube root of that perfect cube, so we can use the method. If you observe the 1 cube to 10 cube pattern, so 1 cube 1 and 1 itself, and 4 cube answer also end number is 4. 5 cube answer is 125, the units place is 5, and 6 cube units place is 6. Next we have 9 cube units place is 9, and 10 cube units place is 0. Same, 0 and 0 is matching. And other numbers, if you observe this remaining 4 numbers, 2 cube end number is 8, and 8 cube end number is 2. So for 2 8 we got, for 8 2 we got. Next 3 cube end number is 7, and 7 cube end number is 3. Okay, that you remember. Remaining all are same. Only for 2 8, and for 8 it's 2. For 7 it is 3, and 3 and 7. Right. Let me take one example. If you want to find out the cube root of, for example, 46,656. 46,656 is the perfect cube. So what is the cube root of this number? You have the 2 steps to do it. You can make the 3 numbers, units, tens and hundreds one set, and remaining number is one set. Okay, first this value, end number is 6. If the 6 is there, what we are getting? Again 6. 6 cube only, and end number is 6. That means units place is 6, right? So you are supposed to take this value is 6 here. So observe the units place of the last 3 numbers. Ones, tens, 100. Ones place you observe 6. So you can write the 6. Next, 46 from the set of this. 46 will come between which 2 numbers? So 46 will come between 27 and 64. Okay, after 26, before 64. After 27, so that means after 3 cube. So this will come between 3 cube and 4 cube. Just if you observe, between 3 cube and 4 cube. So in this starting number is 3. So you should take it as a 3. 3 and this is 6. Yes, simple. So 36 is answer. 36 cube is 46,656. Cube root of 46,656 is 36. Let me take you one more example. Just observe the pattern and you can identify. Okay, if you want to find out 1,48,877, if you want to find out the cube root of this, as per the 2 steps, ends number from this, what we got? 7. 7 means 3 it is. So take the 3. And 148 will come after which number? 148, 125 and 216. After 125, before 216. After 125 means 5. So you can take it as a 5. Simple. 53 is answer for this. Okay, even other example. 3,763,000. This is also perfect cube. Only for the perfect cubes, remember. Okay, last 3 and first 3. 3 is here, right? So okay, for 3 we got 7 because 3 cube is 27. Next 300. 300 will come after 216 after this, between these 2 numbers. So 6. So answer is 67. 67 cube is this number, or else cube root of this is 67. Anything is the same pattern. For example, 8,30,584. If they are asking any cube, immediately just take the set. Observe 4 is here, right? 4 means 4 only. Only 2837 only change. Remaining are the same. 830 will come after 729. Okay, before 1000. So 729 is 9 cube. So 9, because after 9 cube. So 94. Right? This is a pattern you can apply mostly to find out the cube root of any number. If it's perfect cube. Only remember this set. 1 cube to 100 cube. And what is the answer? Based on that you can find out the answers exactly.